Migraine is far more than just a bad headache. It is a complex neurological condition that can disrupt a person's entire life. The primary symptom is often a severe throbbing pain, usually on one side of the head. However, the experience of a migraine attack extends well beyond this. Many individuals also suffer from intense nausea and vomiting. They can become extremely sensitive to light, sound, and even smells. These symptoms can make it impossible to carry on with daily activities. Simple tasks like reading a book or having a conversation become unbearable challenges for someone in the midst of an attack. The impact of migraine is often invisible to others, but it is profoundly disabling for those who live with it. The condition affects a staggering number of people globally. It is estimated that over 1 billion individuals worldwide experience migraines. In the United Kingdom alone, it is thought that about 1 in 7 people are affected. This makes it one of the most common neurological disorders. The World Health Organization recognizes migraine as one of the leading causes of disability. For many, it means lost days from work or school, cancelled plans with family and friends, and a constant fear of when the next attack might strike. The condition unfolds in stages for many people. Before the head pain even begins, some might experience what is known as an aura. This can involve visual disturbances, such as seeing flashing lights, zigzag lines, or even experiencing temporary blind spots. Others might feel tingling sensations in their limbs or have difficulty speaking. These warning signs are part of the neurological event that is a migraine. Following the main attack, a person can enter a postdrome phase, often called a migraine hangover. This can leave them feeling drained, foggy, and unable to concentrate for another day or two. The unpredictability of migraine is one of its most challenging aspects. Triggers can vary widely from person to person. They can include hormonal changes, certain foods and drinks, stress, or even changes in the weather. This makes managing the condition a constant effort. People with migraine often have to carefully navigate their lives to avoid potential triggers, which can add another layer of stress. The need for effective, fast-acting treatments is therefore incredibly important. Patients require options that can stop an attack in its tracks and allow them to regain control of their day as quickly and reliably as possible. In the ongoing search for better migraine treatments, there is now a significant development. The US Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has recently given its approval to a new medicine called Atzumi. This is welcome news for the millions of people whose lives are regularly disrupted by migraine attacks. Atzumi is specifically designed for the acute treatment of migraine with or without aura in adults. This means it is intended to be taken as soon as an attack begins, to stop the symptoms from progressing and provide relief. The approval marks an important milestone in patient care. Atzumi belongs to a class of drugs known as triptans. Triptans have been a cornerstone of migraine treatment for many years. However, Atzumi brings a fresh approach to this established class of medicine. It is a nasal powder, which is a key part of its innovation. The FDA based its approval on strong clinical trial data. These studies showed that Atzumi was effective at providing pain relief for patients. Many participants in the trials reported that their most bothersome symptom, whether it was pain, light sensitivity, or nausea, was gone within 2 hours of using the treatment. This demonstrates its potential to work quickly. The introduction of Atzumi provides a new and much-needed option for patients. Not all treatments work for everyone, and having a variety of choices is essential in managing a condition as personal as migraine. For some patients, existing medications may not be effective enough, or they might cause undesirable side effects. Others may have difficulty taking oral tablets, especially if they are experiencing severe nausea and vomiting during an attack. The approval of Atzumi expands the toolkit available to both doctors and patients, offering a different method of delivery and a new hope for rapid relief. This FDA approval is a signal of continuing progress in the field of neurology and headache medicine. It highlights the commitment of researchers and pharmaceutical companies to address the significant unmet needs of the migraine community. Dr. Kathleen B. Mullen, Medical Director of the New England Institute for Neurology and Headache, noted the importance of this moment. She stated that the approval could be a turning point for many people. It gives them a new treatment option that is not only effective, but also designed with the patient's experience during an attack in mind, which is a crucial step forward. The truly special feature of Atzumi is its unique delivery system. It is a dry nasal powder administered through a simple pre-filled single-use device. This is a significant departure from traditional migraine medications, which are most commonly available as pills or, in some cases, nasal sprays or injections. The dry powder formulation is designed for rapid absorption through the nasal cavity. This area of the body has a rich supply of blood vessels, allowing the medicine to enter the bloodstream quickly. This bypasses the digestive system entirely, which is a major advantage for many migraine sufferers. This method of delivery directly addresses a common problem faced by patients during a severe attack: nausea and vomiting. When a person is feeling sick, the thought of swallowing a pill can be very difficult. Even if they manage to take a tablet, the migraine itself can slow down digestion. This means the medicine might sit in the stomach for a long time before it is absorbed, delaying its effect. Atsumi's nasal powder formulation gets around this issue completely. Because it is absorbed through the nose, it can start working fast, even when the patient is feeling extremely nauseous. Compared to older treatments, Atzumi offers a clear advantage in terms of ease of use. The device is designed to be straightforward and portable. A person experiencing the first signs of a migraine can use it quickly and discreetly without needing water. This is very different from injections, which can be intimidating for some patients, or traditional liquid nasal sprays, which can sometimes cause an unpleasant sensation of liquid dripping down the back of the throat. The dry powder is designed to be gentle, making the experience of taking the medication less of a burden during an already distressing time. The science behind Atsumi's effectiveness lies in its active ingredient, zolmitriptan, which is a well-established triptan. These drugs work by targeting serotonin receptors in the brain. They are thought to reduce inflammation and constrict blood vessels around the brain, which become swollen and inflamed during a migraine attack. By doing this, they help to relieve the throbbing pain and other symptoms. What Atzumi does is deliver this proven medicine in a new, more efficient way. It combines a trusted medication with modern technology to improve the patient experience and provide faster relief when it is needed most. Medical experts have greeted the approval of Atzumi with considerable optimism. They see it as a valuable new tool in the fight against migraines. Leading neurologists point out that the speed of relief is one of the most important factors for patients. Dr. Robert C. Kaniecki, a headache specialist, emphasized this point. He explained that when a patient can treat an attack early and effectively, it can prevent hours of debilitating pain and allow them to return to their normal lives much sooner. The clinical data showing pain freedom in as little as 2 hours for many patients is therefore highly encouraging for the medical community. The focus on patient-centric design is another aspect that has drawn praise. Migraine is not just a physical illness, it carries a heavy emotional and psychological burden. Having a treatment that is simple and non-invasive can make a big difference. Dr. Angela Fitch, a primary care physician, commented that patients are more likely to use a treatment they find easy and comfortable. The Atzumi device, being portable and not requiring water or injection, fits perfectly into this model of care. This ease of use could lead to better overall management of the condition, as patients may be less hesitant to treat attacks at the very first sign. Looking ahead, the availability of Atzumi could change the way many people experience their migraine disease. For those who have struggled with the side effects or limitations of older medicines, it offers a new possibility. The ability to avoid the gastrointestinal system is a game changer for individuals with migraine-related nausea. Experts believe this will be particularly beneficial for this large subgroup of patients. Having a reliable treatment that works quickly can reduce the anxiety and fear associated with the condition, empowering individuals to live fuller, more predictable lives without the constant shadow of a potential attack. In conclusion, the approval of Atzumi represents a meaningful step forward in migraine care. It is more than just another drug. It is an innovative solution designed with the real-world challenges of a migraine attack in mind. By combining a proven medication with a novel, patient-friendly delivery system, Atzumi offers the promise of rapid relief in a way that is both convenient and effective. For the millions of people whose lives are impacted by this disabling condition, this new treatment represents a new hope, a chance to reclaim their days from the grip of migraine.